They counted me out, they thought it was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back, the streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat, Roman noodles all through.
Box Chevy OG, man, we out here. We out here with Penny. We over here with Kevin, man. Kelvin. That ain't Kelvin, ain't it? Right. Right. Got an L in it. Over here with Kelvin, man. We're finna flush my coolant system, man. I noticed when I was in Orlando that it had that my antifreeze, man, like an orangish, brownish looking color, man. That's not normal. I don't like this. So we're gonna flush it, man. Flush the radiator, flush the block, and we're gonna go and throw a new thermostat in it while we at it. They're kind of ugly, man. Yeah. Just making good time of this time off, man. He called me this morning. I was laying in the bed till I jumped straight up. He said he had a little time on his hands. Let's knock it out. So, I'm gonna place this thermostat. We're gonna flush the radiator, and we're gonna flush the block. We'll be back, man. Spray my wheel off. A little antifreeze got on it. I have to detail this wheel over again. I'm late on picking it up. We flushing it out the block now, man. I can still coming out brown a little bit.
What we're gonna do is I'm gonna get it, try to get it, pick up through the heat core and try to get it to push it. I push him over there, push it to the wall, I'm gonna pick it up because he's going right in.
Get it out the heater core and all that.
Alright, dude.
It's brown. It's still brown. It gotta be coming from somewhere.
It's gonna do the business thing. Gotta get it out the heater core. But they both holes is running the heater core right here. Yeah. A lot of it is already kind of drained down anyway. But the heater core like a radiator too. I have to take a hose, try to see like get the pump edge.
It's clearing a little bit now though.
Yeah. This way it should run hot, man. It should run hot. But I'm hoping water is running in the pump. It ain't just pumping, open it, pushing it through the block. Instead of just running back out. So, you know, it's running. Like I just did on water, forget it.
Look at that. All right. Fill the block back up before we crank it up. We had this hose off right here. Had this hose off. We pulled antifreeze through this hose that ran down to the block. Fill the block up. Put that back on. Then we fill the radiator up. Now you just putting the rest in the overflow jug over there. Huh? Oh, you flushing or what? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I see you got it off. You got the hose off. Flushing the overflow jug.
I have to take it out and clean it with some soap.
What?
But we ain't gonna probably run out of there like this.
Yeah. They can stick that water hose in there too.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, man. Down here with my boy Marlon. He had to check on some things for me after we changed the thermostat. It was actually happened before we changed the thermostat. There's one reason why I changed it. My fans were coming on too late. You know, and I know my fans are coming on like at 227, 225, 227, and I know it's too hot, man. So he went back in and configured it. And now my fans coming on like at 201. Like it's reading 192 engine temperature now. So when the engine get up to 201, they're gonna kick on. Just did it. It cycled several times doing it. So what Marlon took care of me, man. It's just a thing where you know your cars, man. You know your cars. I'm riding. It happened even when I was in Orlando. I'm telling my boy Big Mike, D-Lo everybody. I said, man, my fans coming on too late. So I don't think it was. I think it was something in the settings that the last person did that touched it. I don't know. Both fans do kick on at 201 now. And knock it right back off, man. So we should be good. Yep. Stopped at the gas station real quick, man. Had to get some chicken strips. My wife liked the chicken strips from here. Stop and got something else, man. Box Chevy, man. Box Chevy OG. See how that thing tucking? Got Kelvin in that thing. We ride, man. No grubs, man. Passenger side either. And that's normal ride height right there, man. Normal ride height. Huh? Who painted it? I got a homeboy up in Humboldt, Tennessee. Yeah. It's called Candy World Customs.
I got maybe some Broham.
Broham, the full top one. The full, what you got, a box Chevy? 87? Yeah, so it gotta be a box car like this, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's long now. Yeah, they up in Jackson, Tennessee. Appreciate it. It's actually seven. It's about 7 years old. The paint job. Yep. 7 years old, yep. Yep. OG like that thing. OG like it. We're gonna get on up out of here, man. Kevin got somewhere to be. What up, boy? You alright? Yeah, man. For a second.
I'm keeping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven. I got the free game. My seven. I'm keeping in my seven. I'm bouncing in my seven. I'm riding.